This is a demo of an AI agent called the Return Order Assistant. You will see how it helps your team members provide better service to customers. It starts with Eric, an account rep whose customer received defective phones as part of an order. To process a return and replacement, Eric needs to understand the details of the company policy. First, Eric opens both the order and the Return Order Assistant, giving it the right context. Then he asks about returns. The AI agent responds based on policies that are applicable to this specific order. It even shows the last date the phones can be returned. However, Eric wants more information about sending out replacement phones before the faulty phones are returned. So he clicks the Advanced Replacement Policy, which is one of the sources used by the AI agent. Here he sees he can send replacements to the customer along with prepaid return shipping labels. So he goes back to the order to add replacement phones. Next, he quickly checks on inventory to ensure replacements are available. Since this order is for a loyal customer, Eric checks to see where the policy allows him to offer a discount to compensate for the inconvenience. He goes back to the Return Order Assistant and adds discretionary discounts as an additional topic. Then he asks about policies governing defective goods, and he sees different discount levels based on the severity of the issue. Eric can now apply the right discount along with a brief explanation. And that's it. You can see how the Return Order Assistant helped Eric quickly handle a customer's issue, including replacements, shipping, and discount details, all within company policy. It's just one of the ways we're using AI agents in Oracle Fusion applications to help unleash productivity and innovation.